The Heighten adds an all-new vehicle information app to your Jeep. This pulls a ton of information from the vehicle and displays it on the Heighten's 10-inch HD screen. It can show you basic things like which doors are open, to a massive amount of vehicle gauges. There are multiple temperature gauges, battery voltage, ignition timing, and more. Just tap a gauge to change it. The Heighten adds a speed tracking screen that tracks your best 0 to 60, 60 to 0, and best quarter-mile times. The off-road screen shows you pitch and roll data, compass, altitude, and GPS coordinates. Only Jeeps equipped with an 8.4-inch screen had access to this information, but the Heighten pulls this from any trim level. We also have a graphic representation of the drivetrain and sway bar. There's a user settings button that will allow you to adjust your low tire pressure threshold and GPS precision level. No matter which screen you're looking at in the vehicle information app, if you press the camera button, it will take you to the camera screen and overlay the off-road data. You can also trigger this from the camera screen as well by tapping the off-road button. The Stinger Heighten Vehicle Information app brings your Jeep experience to a whole new level.